Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام ذلكم الله ربكم لا إله إلا هو خالق كل شيء فاعبدوه وهو على كل شيء وكيل. Translation: That is Allah, your Rabb. There is no God except Him, the creator of all beings. So you worship Him, and He is the guardian and master of all things and over all affairs. In the previous ayahs, we studied about the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, about the way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's creation has been working in this universe and has been following the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Everything is working in a perfect fashion and in a perfect way. If somebody ponders on the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they will get the ma'rifah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They will understand about the creator, that the creator is free of any weakness, any need, any imperfection, and the creator is above all, and the creator has absolute perfection in everything, in every aspect, and in all his attributes. And in a way, all the creations of the creator is testifying that the creator is the greatest and the creator is free of any need or any weakness. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the only one who has the absolute right to be worshipped. And if some unfortunate person or misguided person is worshipping some other deity other than Allah, or somebody is associating someone with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he is the misguided person and he is not pondering on the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because as explained previously, if somebody is pondering on the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he can reach to the answer that the creator is absolutely perfect in all of his attributes and nobody can be associated with him. But despite of this, if somebody is arrogant enough to worship someone else or associating someone with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is enough guardian for all of his creation, and he is going to take the account of all of his creation, and he is capable of doing so. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us firm on Tawheed and make us free of any sort, any hint of shirk. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum.